Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unpackage and review a pair of power banks, a 2-pack of power banks that I purchased on Amazon. Now, this is an offer that was too good to turn down. It's 2 power banks priced at £19.99. And if you check the Amazon UK page, where I'll link to in the description, you also see that there's the option to get a £5 voucher against this purchase. So effectively, you're buying 2 power banks for £15, 2 10,000 milliamp power banks for £15, which means that the cost of each individual power bank is £7.50. So that's, for you people in the States watching, that's around about $10 per power bank. So I ordered these, and as usual with Amazon Prime, they arrive the next day, so I'm very happy with that. The packaging is pretty straightforward, gives you a few use cases for using power banks, and the one that I'm most interested in is traveling, but you can also use it when camping, hiking, fishing, or being on beaches. There's a few extra warnings on the other side of the packaging, to let you know that it has no memory effect, it quick charges, and it has high conversion efficiency. Okay, what I'm going to do is take, in this case, my scissors. I've misplaced my jerry-rig everything knife, but I'll just use this. And as you can see, as I'm cutting through the tape at the side of the cardboard packaging, there's a few devices it can be used with on the bottom bit of the packaging. For example, a tablet or pad, GPS, smartphone, dumb phone, iPod, and portable games console. And on the back we have a few specifications, mainly the fact that each power bank has 37 watt hours of power in it. That's 10,000 milliamp hours. It can take input at 5 volt 2 amps, and it does output at 5 volts 2.4 amps, or over Type-C 5 volt at 5 volt 2 amps. That's not great. That is pretty slow by modern standards, but for the price, is that something you can complain about? Probably not. Especially if this is the sort of thing you're going to have in the back of your bag to use in case you do run low of power. So 2 power banks in the box, and there's also a USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C, and that's it. There's a little leaflet here, little booklet, AsperX or AsperX, 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger. It's a user manual, which is essentially a leaflet. Pretty straightforward about how you recharge your power banks. And as you can see, I picked, in this case, the black. Oh, that's lighter than I was thinking. There's black and white. So these are 2 black and white power banks from AsperX. But if you check the link in the description, there's the option to get 2 black ones, 1 black, 1 white, like I did, 1 pink and one black, and 1 red and 1 blue. So depending on your choice, there's plenty of color options available. And yes, you can purchase this as a single power bank instead of the 2-pack. And if you were to purchase one, it's actually £12.59. So it made sense at £7.50 each to get a 2-pack for £15. Great deal. So this is a basic 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. You can see from here that it has a little mirrored finish bit that says that it's 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. You see our little LED ports there that tell you the power level. And as with power banks we've been seeing for years in this form factor, you have 2 USB-A out ports, and 1 micro USB and 1 USB Type-C power in ports. So nothing too exciting there. Now, what I'm going to do is, just to prove that these actually work, we'll just quickly take one of these USB cables that came bundled with the power banks. I'll plug one in to a USB Type-A port. Oh my, that USB-A port's just plugged in straight away. That never happens. There must be something terrible about to happen somewhere in the world. Anyway, I'm taking that and I'm going to plug in the Moto G13, which I'm currently finalizing my long-term review of. And as you can see, it says that it's actually charging rapidly, but that's according to the Moto G13, which is an affordable £100 handset, which means that really anything over 5 volts, 1 amp, it's going to say that it's charging rapidly. And if this is a 10 watt charger or 5 volt 2 amp or 2.4 amp, that's considered fast by the Moto G13. But good to see it's charging, and you can see the LED indicator on, saying that it's on and working. So in terms of the unpackaging experience, it's pretty straightforward. It's 2 power banks and 2 cables in a box with a leaflet. What I will say is other brands like Charmast and others do actually give you a little bag to protect the power bank and carry your cables in, so that if you're putting it in a handbag, in a rucksack, and you're just about to travel, that's quite handy. But this is, for the price, nothing you can complain about. This is just what it says on the box. 2 power banks, 2 cables and a leaflet. So, in terms of unboxing, there's not much else I can say apart from it feels lighter than I was expecting. The overall feel of the plastic is quite cheap and plasticky, but at the price point, nothing to complain about. And what I'm going to do is take these 2 AsperX power banks, use them in my upcoming travels, and give you a final review once I've been using them and I've been through a few charge cycles with both of these power banks. Let's see if there's any technical difference between the white and the black. Even though I doubt it, we might find out. So I'll leave you with that suspense. If an ad does come up here on the video, please do watch it. It's a way you can support the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Another way you could do that is drop us a like, leave us a comment and let us know what I've missed or said wrong in this video. And even more importantly, do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, where we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. But anyway, I'll be back in a few seconds. See you soon. And just like that, through the magic of editing, I'm back to give my final verdict on the AsperX or AsperX power bank pack that I purchased on Amazon. Now, in the context of price, it's really important to remember that essentially these 2 power banks in the double pack worked out at around about £15 or £7.50 each. That's a really, really good deal in my view. The downside is that at that price point, you can't expect a fast charging power bank. You can't expect it to charge itself when plugged into a high-speed charger quickly, and you can't expect it to charge your phone or tablet or camera at a fast rate. But in the context of maybe being on a trip, not having access to, say, a socket near your bed, but you want to charge your phone overnight, this power bank will comfortably do that. With the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, I was able to get 2 top-ups from around about 20% all the way to full whilst traveling. So, in my experience, it does the job. It's nothing exceedingly fast, but in terms of keeping a charge, it can do that full charge of a Google Pixel 8 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro, which have on paper 5,000 milliamp hour batteries. So yes, it lives up to the 10,000 milliamp hour charge capabilities, and it does so slowly. So bear that in mind. Not a fast charging power bank, but does have that magic 10,000 milliamp hour power in it, from what I've seen in my experience. Now, I've been using this over the course of the summer in conditions going from around about 12-13 degrees Celsius all the way up to 25. So that's the temperature conditions. I've been using it with a cable that is capable of pulling 66 watts. and which we have seen charge laptops at that speed. So it does the job. So value for money, at the end of the day, is pretty good. Now, I'll link in the description to where you can support the Tech Travel Geeks by purchasing the AsperX PowerBank 2-pack for whatever price it's at the time. Be aware that we are about to have an Amazon Prime Day on the 8th and 9th of October 2024, so you may get a further discount on that price. And in my view, anything less than £7.50 for this power bank is a really good bargain. And if you haven't noticed, we've been doing some videos here on the Tech Travel Geeks where we cover products from Temu, the Chinese shopping app, which offers decent deals. Now, the AsperX or AsperX power banks are available there as well for the grand total price of £15 sterling. Sounds familiar? Yes, it's the same price as Amazon. But then again, you may be able to get an introductory offer or voucher that you'll find at the link below, which might bring the price down even further. And with Temu, it involves having free delivery. If you're not an Amazon Prime subscriber, you won't get that. Anyway, I'll link to both the AsperX or AsperX PowerBank 2-packs on Amazon and Temu. Thanks if you do decide to purchase from there, or purchase anything really once you've clicked on that link. We don't really care what you buy. So thanks to you if you do decide to click on and purchase from there. That helps support us do videos about consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Keep an eye out for our upcoming videos, have that subscribe button clicked and that magic bell, because over the next few months we plan on clearing our backlog of items we have here for review. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching if you made it this far. Goodbye from me.